Hello YouTube and welcome back to Ali's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the great Pacific Northwest on a very wet rainy day. It did not start out like this, but it is in my little Hickville town of Belfair, Washington. Yes, and it is pouring buckets. No rainbows yet, but it is just a pouring buckets out there today. Didn't start out like this. So this is February 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 9. And that means we are well past number 5. So I don't feel I need to show you everything that comes into the kit anymore as I grab this. I grab what to show you what you could do with the kit. So this kit is called Hello Spring. You could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one, and got the 9 envelopes to cut up and do great things with. This QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put the kit together as it is designed, and then a visual of everything in the kit, the coordinating colors. Down here, this QR code would lead you to how to purchase the set of 5 dies this time. Here is a better look at them called Spring is in the Air. They coordinate with January, February, and March 2025's Paper Pumpkin kits. They are a set of 2. I know they're not separated. I plan on using them again. I just put them in there. They have some washi tape on them. There they are. They go with the chives stamps from this kit. Trying to get the backing. I don't want all my stuff. That's where I keep all the extra bits for the dies. In these, I got these from Amazon. You just put in magnetic sheets with covers. Magnetic sheets with sleeves or something covers for crafts, and these will pop up. So that being said, let's show you the stamps. So you get the chives. Now I cut my chives completely off. I don't think I'm the only one. I know Lori did. She did it before you and I did. No fear there. Good girl. Okay, it says, thanks for helping me grow. I plan on doing my mail outs. I'm doing postcards. Yes, I'm going to do a video on that as well for Paper Pumpkin. Happy Easter. Hello Spring. This little bit, the chive blossom, the stems, to a wonderful friend, and sending love. So guys, I wasn't supposed to be doing this. This is not what I was supposed to be doing, but we're doing it anyways because it kind of fell into being, I had finished a craft project for March, and I was putting my stuff up, and then as I was putting up this piece of DSP, which is from a retired pack, I only have like three, 4 pieces of it. It's called Pocket Full of Posies, and I was like, ooh, I wonder if that will go with Paper Pumpkin. And guess what? It's gonna go beautifully. And this is how it came to be. Just some things were like, oh, it's like, okay, let's get this done. So let's go over what we are doing. So I tried it on the very vanilla cards and the note cards from Stampin' Up, and I didn't like it. So I went back to the craft ones. These are pre-made. So here's the envelope. The note card is 4 7/8 by 7, scored at 3.5. Then I have a piece of Old Olive for layer number 1. Old Olive is 3 1/4 by 4 5/8. Same with the white. So 2 layer number 1s. One is for the inside. That's the white. This one is for, let me just bring the notebook in here. It's easier than me trying to look over here at it. So let's see. Layer number 1. 3 1/4 by 4 5/8. One in Old Olive and one in white. You already saw that. So DSP 3 by 4 3/8 from Pocket Full of Posies. Then we have the medium basic beige label from the kit. We have that's layer number 3. Layer number 4 is the ephemera from the kit. I switched that. Actually should be 5, but we're going to keep it. Layer number 5 is Honeybee Blooms die in Old Olive. That's these. Okay, this one right here. That's an Old Olive. No flowers on it, just the olive. And then this little craft banner that I found, it was laying on my thing. We're going to use it again, or 7/8 by 1 1/4. And then we have some scrap, very vanilla. Yes, it's got a stamp, but we're going to use over here or down here. big enough to punch out the For You with the 3/4 inch circle punch or die of your choice. And we have the bee trinkets. This should not take long. I don't have long. I gotta go pick up Hank. Yes, I do. I really do. And I'm looking for the stamp in Pierce Matte. Nope, nope, yes. Nope, nope, yes. Okay, here we go. So first things first is we are going to stamp our For You bee trinkets, thanks to Lori. Yes. Old Olives. Good old pad. We're going to stamp it right there. For You. That came out really nice. Really nice. Much easier than me trying to, I'm going to put my, sorry, I like to put my punches, those little ones in that drawer that I have. Next, we are going to stamp Hello Spring. Yeah, we're going to have 2 sentiments on the front. We are going to have no fear. Hello Spring about right here. Voila, we did it. All right, get all our pieces going here. Now we're going to stamp for the inside. Sending Love, Happy Easter. We're combining. Yes, we are. Sending Love. The white always gets me. Stamping white on top of a white is not always conducive, but we're going to work with what we got here. Happy Easter. We're going to bring Happy Easter kind of like right here. Yes, we got this. Then we're going to stamp those chives. Checking to make sure it's all inked up. We're going to bring that right here. Now we're going to have our little bright pop of color. Move that one aside. Now I don't know, stamp off. Yes, we're going to stamp it off. So stamp off and then stamp it. Stamp off. I just am kind of liking that much better. So that's for the inside. Check and done. What else do we got going on? The envelope, the envelope, the envelope, the envelope. We want it to be as nice as everything else. What have we not? To a Wonderful Friend. And we definitely, we're done with this color. We're done with the pop of Petunia. Pop as it is. So To a Wonderful Friend right there. I think there is, oh, thanks for helping me grow. Yes, I'm not stamping that one yet. I am going to be using that. I'm going to be stamping that like 70 times coming up for my mail out. And we're going to do Sending Love on the back. So envelope check, everything's done. We can put this card together. I know it just kind of fell. Sometimes it happens and I just have to roll with it. And let it be what it is, and not, there's no fighting it when it happens like that. It's like, oh yes, let's do it. So little glue to the inside. Layer number 1 is the same for the inside and outside. 4 5/8, well, 3 1/4 by 4 5/8, nice size. Think that goes well together. Then we can glue, oops, 1 and 2 together, 3 and 4 3/8 to 3 1/4 by 4 5/8. I'm going to keep the rest of these scraps of Pocket Full of Posies out for this paper pumpkin kit. I'm liking it. Oops. All right, let's get this glued onto the card base. pretty. I'm loving these note cards, guys. I mean, especially with little elements like these. So For You is going to go up on a dimensional. I did know I wanted that because just right there. Hello Spring in the center. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty. This is going to go here, down here, but first we're going to get this in play. Now you can either cut off that little circle, but we're just going to tuck it in. Yes, I'm going to tuck it in. Am I tucking it in too far? I'm thinking, do I need to cover it up with something? I wanted to... I think I'm going to do... Nope. I might have to cut off some of the dimensional, guys. I think I put too much of the dimensional on here. Yeah, I did. We'll just save that for a second. Let's just stick that there. And this, oh, we're going to have to piece this. So this is going to go right there. Let's just get it glued down. That bit of craft is just bringing in that. This is going to see, look, that's going to bring that in, and that's going to cover that little hole. But what I need to do is see if I put this here, we need to do some surgery. You guys know I am not afraid to do surgery at all. So I'm going to cut this here, cut it here, and then I'm going to move it up. I think I'm going to move it up this way so that we have more of those flowers up higher, meaning these are just going to be higher up. That's all I'm doing. So I'm going to glue it right back here, here. And then this is going to get glued onto, actually we can just snip that right off. Oh, I hope it didn't hardly hit that at all, but let's just do that. We need those covered up. Yes, that's all I needed. And then this can get repositioned there. Yep, it's there. Now do I tack it down? I do. I need to tack this piece down. I think just that one. The other two I think are okay. Just need that one tacked down. In the little bee, let's take a look-see. Oh my goodness, every time I see these on here, it just, see, I don't know whether I can do, I always want to just do one. Right? Just one, and then I can do some other bling. And yes, I know it's going to cost to send it, and frankly, right now, I don't care. So do I do, because it's really gold, So do I put him there? Do one... I really like him like right there. And do 1, 2. Do I move him like right there? And then do 2. I really like him there. But he's so close. He's so cute there. Do I just leave it with the 1 and just be happy with it? I'm happy with just the 1B, I think. I think this is where I could lose my mind. Totally lose my mind here. Yikes. All right. See, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there it is. Okay. Hold your breath, because I don't want to lose my train of thought, right? Okay. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. Oh, yes. 4. So tell me, does that look good? Tell me, please tell me yes. Please tell me you agree. Doesn't that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes. I'm happy. I'm really happy with the placement. Yes. Okay. I need those little tiny blue dots. Hold on. No, this one. These little super tiny ones. Then I'm going to take a bathroom break. Oh, I won't say get my rain boots on. Just get my tennis shoes on. And go get Hank from school, because I'm free. I can drive. Doctor says so. Hank was so happy. Bonji, you're coming to get me. Yes, Hank, I'm coming to get you today. Look at that little bee. Look what we did. Oh, look at the time we are doing. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Did that not come out, darling? Yes, I think I'm so happy. Still not what I was supposed to be doing today. I got other things I'm supposed to be doing. Yikes. Okay, a little bit of Wink Estella. Go check on all the dogs. TT is with me. No, I do not. If you guys are wondering, I do not take her in my car. She sheds like crazy right now. And her little dog hair is so hard to get out. So, isn't that sweet? Yes! I love it. I love it when all of a sudden something happens like this. And it comes out just like I thought it would, because, oh, sometimes even better. Even better. Oh, but the best part, guys, the best part is sharing it with you. I'm telling you, that is not just me, like, talking. That is the truth, because I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about it in the comment section. So if you have time when you see this, let me know. Oh, tomorrow. Oh, I've got doctor's appointments. They interfere with my life. Important. Yes, they're very important. Sometimes they just, pile up. It's like, can you come in? We have a cancellation. I'm like, yes, I can come in. Yes. And that's okay. They're important. And I know they are. So, anyways, I am going to... I'm so happy. I don't want to get off, but I need to. So, please, if you have time, leave a comment for this one. I'm so excited to share it with you. And as always, I want to invite you to come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Thank you guys so much. I cannot wait. Oh, yes. Okay, bye-bye for now, everyone.